In this tutorial, we will see that how you can create a broadcast channel in Instagram in just few easy steps. So let's dive in. To make broadcast channel, you will be on your profile. If you click on home, here you will get this message option in upper side. You have to click on that. And the first method to create broadcast channel is to click on this pencil icon in upper side. And here you will get create a broadcast channel. If it's not showing you, like me, you can click back and click on this profile. Then you have to click on this plus icon. It will show here. But in some case, if it's not showing here like me, then we need to create an option of creating broadcast channel from settings. Because Instagram allowed only some of accounts to create broadcast channel. Now from profile, click on these icons from upper side. And here you will get these options. You have to open settings and privacy. Open it, and then if you scroll down, you will see here help. Open it, and in help you have to open this report a problem. Click on that and then confirm to report problem. Here it will ask you, would you like to include complete logs and diagnostics? You have to click on include and continue. And then you have to type here that I'm facing issue with creating broadcast channel, help me to fix this issue, and simply click on send, and you will get response email from Instagram in just 24 hours. So these were the 3 methods to create a broadcast channel in Instagram in just few easy steps.